students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today I will give you introduction about decimal fractions. So you have to watch my video very carefully. So what are decimal fractions? The number in which we see point, they are called decimal fractions. For example, 6.5. Here this point is known as decimal. So we can say that 6.5 is a decimal number. Another example is 6.002. This is a decimal number, and here this is a decimal or a point. So we can say that 6.002 is a decimal fraction. Our next topic is greater or smaller decimal number. To explain this, I will give you example. Example is 3.2 and 1.7. In these decimal fractions, you have to tell that 3.2 is greater or 1.7 is greater. In 3.2, first what we have to do is, first we have to see the numbers before decimal. In 3.2, 3 is before decimal, and in 1.7, 1 is before decimal. So, now we will compare 3 and 1. Which one is greater? 3 is greater. So, we can say that 3.2 is greater than 1.7. So, 3.2 is greater than 1.7. Another example is 4.7 and 4.2. First, we will compare the first number, that is before decimal. Before decimal. In both the numbers, before decimal is 4. Here also 4 and here also 4. So, they are same. Now, we will compare the number after decimal. In 4.7, after decimal is 7, and in 4.2, after decimal number is 2. So we can say that 7 is greater than 2. So 4.7 is greater than 4.2. So 4.7 is greater than 4.2. I will give you one more example. That is 0.04 is greater or 0.004 is greater. As I told you earlier, first we have to compare the numbers before the decimal. In this, 0 is before decimal, and in this fraction also 0 is before decimal. So they are same. Now we will see the number after decimal. First number after decimal. Here it is 0. Here also 0. Now we will see the second number after decimal. Here it is 4 and here it is 0. Which one is greater? 0 or 4? We can say that 4 is greater than 0. So 0.04 is greater than 0.004. So students, in this way you can identify which decimal fraction is greater and which decimal fraction is smaller. Our next topic is multiplying decimals. First point is multiplying a decimal number by a whole number. Example is decimal number is 0.2, and we will multiply this 0.2 by the whole number, that is 6. Simply multiply it 0.2 into 6, that is 6 2s are 12. Our answer is 12. Now we will put decimal after one place because decimal is after one place. This is after one place. So we will put decimal after one place, and we have to count that number starting from the unit place. So after 2 we will put a decimal point. So our answer will be 1.2. Example is multiply 0.002 by 4. So 4 into 2. 0.002 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. So answer is 0008. Now we will count the number from the unit place and where the decimal is. 1, 2, 3. After 3 numbers, digits, decimal is after 3 digits. So we will put decimal after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. We will put decimal here. So our answer is 0.008. Next point is multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. I will explain you by giving example. Suppose we have to multiply 6.4 into 10. Do not consider the decimal, simply multiply 64 into 10. Our answer will be 640. Now put the decimal after one digit, because in 6.4 decimal is after one digit, that is after 4. You have to count the digit starting from the unit place. So unit place is, this one is the unit place, and after that you have to put the decimal point. So our answer will be 64.0. I will explain you by giving another example. Suppose we have to multiply 4.004 into 100. Do not consider the decimal, simply multiply 4004 into 100. That is equal to 400400. Now see, decimal is after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Now start counting from the unit place, 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3, and just put decimal here. So our answer will be 400.400, that is 400.400. I'll explain you by giving one more example. Suppose we have to multiply 6.4234 into 1000. Simply multiply this digit by 1000. Our answer will be 6432400 and 0. Now count the digit where the decimal is. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit, decimal is after 4 digit. So we will put decimal after 4 digit starting from the unit place. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here the decimal will come here. So our answer will be 6423.4000. Our next point is multiplying a decimal number by a decimal number. Example is 2.5 multiplied by 0.4. Both are decimal numbers. Simplest thing is forget about decimal. Simply multiply 25 by 4. Our answer is 100. Now see, in 2.5 decimal is after one digit, that is after 5. And in 0.4 it is after one digit, that is after 4. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So we will put decimal after two digits here. So our answer will be 1. I will explain you by giving another example. Suppose the decimal number is 4.2 and we have to multiply this 4.2 by 0.02. Simply forget about their decimals and multiply 44.2 by 0.02. Our answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84. Now 84. Now see, in 4.2 decimal is after one digit, and in 0.02 decimal is after two digit. So total will be 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Now in 84, we will see in 84 there are only 2 digits. So we have to put the decimal after 3 digits. So 4, 8 and then we will put 0 here and decimal here. So our answer will be 0.084. One more example of multiplying decimal number by a decimal number is 5.2 into 1.3. Now 5.2 multiplied by 1.3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 2s are 2 and 1 5s are 5. 6 plus 0, that is equal to 6. 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7, and 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Now in 5.2 decimal is after one digit, that is after 2. And in 1.3 decimal is after one digit, that is after 3. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So in answer decimal will come after 2 digit. 1, 2. It will come over here. So our answer will be 6.76.